Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'm going to use settings as an example for this. And once your content is open and visible on the screen, hold power key and the volume down at the same time. You'll get this animation or the sound and this pop-up right here with a scroll and share option. Now after a moment it disappears, and yeah, that's basically how we capture a screenshot. Now going into one of the options, which is the scroll, I'm going to quickly do that once again and tap on this. And this, as you can see, shows you that you can capture a longer version of a screenshot. So it starts the screenshot from the moment that you can see at the top, and then starts scrolling down however far down it can. Now it does scroll it automatically on its own, but it can, as you've seen, I have done stop it by tapping on the screen, and you can also scroll it down yourself. Once you have done so, we can select done, click on the checkbox, and this will save our screenshot into the gallery application. So let's open up photos, and in here you should be able to find our scrollable screenshot. So there it is, and also the normal one. And that is how you can capture your screenshots. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.